Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger. That's enough about me. Let's look at some animals. Full of meat and full of milk. And
yeah, look at her front paw. She's like, it's an effort for her.
She knows she's got to go there and then deal with feisty little baby lions.
Yeah, she's how old is she?
She is about 9 years old.
Wow. She'll do it for those babies.
Yeah, she'll have a drink first. It's very good that it's come back down again. Actually, considering the drought that we're having, it's been quite surprising that it only stopped yesterday, and now it's up again. So it's only not had water in for a day. It's pretty amazing.
Guys, I was just radio down. What's the lineup looking like? Slow 1, Paddy 2, you 3. Thank you. Got you guys visual?
It's just the one with fuzzy here, Matt. The mambas up on the island. Nice.
Jeez. She's beautiful.
Matt, did she go in yet? No, negative. She's just about to go in now.
Here she goes.
She's going in.
No little babies running out to greet her.
No, they're probably sound asleep.
Mm.
David, you on the show? David, guys.
Beth, there. Visual Antoine here. Matt, come here.
Yes, round the back.
Yep.
You see the little one? See the little girl?
Yeah.
Look. These two, these.
3 babies.
Oh, let's get to it.
That's fantastic. Bring them to the kill. Bring them to the kill. That's fabulous.
How about that she brought them out?
Right.
Trying to get under to get some milk.
David, come
Yeah.
Isn't she beautiful?
Should we off the channel for a second?
Should have brought your binoculars, you bozo.
Anybody else would like to look?
Built mum on the head.
This is the first time I've seen these cubs properly. We've seen them through binoculars in the hole. We've seen her carrying one at a distance. This is brilliant. We've been around here every day since she's given birth, so it's finally worked out nicely.
Yeah.
He ran away.
Silly boy. He's missing out.
Should we back on the channel?
You were right to wait.
Sorry, Lord, say again? Sorry, Lord, say again?
It's lovely, isn't it? Is that her making that noise?
No. Lots of noises.
Sunset.
Yeah, it's pretty too.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, please feel free to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.